Looks like a job for Henry. Henry, wake up. Oh, he's asleep. He's asleep. Charlie, wake him up. Hit him up.
Hit him up.
Hit him harder. Wake him up. Right, I think he's stirring. Let's pull him out. We've got him out, Charlie.
Yeah.
Can you wake him up? He's stirring.
Yeah.
What are you going to do to wake him up?
Like that.
Are you going to hit him?
Yeah.
Oh no, don't hit him. Just stroke him.
Stroke it.
Is he waking up?
Yeah.
Right. Come on, let's go plug him in.
Plug it in.
Charlie, have you plugged it in?
Yeah.
Right. Let's test. Push the on button. See whether he works. Oh! You put him onto high?
Yeah.
Oh, quickly, put him onto low. That's it. It's first thing in the morning, isn't it? So he's got to get ready. Right. Does he want to start hoovering?
Yeah.
Because he's got a lot to hoover up, isn't he?
Yeah.
There's lots of crumbs on the floor, isn't there?
Yeah.
Right, let's start.
Okay.
Come on then, Charlie, let's see if we can hoover this up. Hoover. Are you hoovering? It's not working very well, is it? Charlie, let's drop it. Let's put it onto high mode.
That one.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's better. That's it. Oh no. Charlie. This is making a mess, isn't it? We've got a blockage. Seems we have a blockage, Charlie. That's our problem right there, eh? How are we going to fix this?
Take it off.
Take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it off.
Fix it out.
You're going to fetch it out?
Yeah.
Right, what have you got to fix it?
There.
Yeah. Oh, you've got a spoon, have you?
Yeah. Nene.
Don't break your spoon. Are we trying to fix Henry?
Yeah.
Do you think Henry's happy right now?
Yeah.
He looks pretty happy, doesn't he?
Look that way.
Are you going to go in this way?
Yeah.
Right. Now, I think Daddy might have to help you.
Daddy like that. Like that. Daddy logs. Like that, Daddy logs.
I think that might probably add to the problem.
No!
Oh, okay.
Put spoon in there.
Yeah, put a spoon in there. Right, Daddy help. Charlie, did Daddy help you get this croissant out of the Hoover? Did Daddy help?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it looks like it's now in more manageable pieces for Henry, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think Henry's going to hoover this up quite happily?
Yeah.
He looks quite happy, doesn't he?
Oh,
Okay,
oh
turn it
no.
on. Let's hoover this up.
Oh no.
Turn it on. You want to do it on low? Come in, let's hoover. Let's use this bit. Charlie, do you think he's ready now to hoover up the rest of these crumbs?
Yeah.
Right, turn him on. Come on then. Hoover. Yeah, over that bit. Charlie's done all the hoovering. He's hoovered it all up. Is Henry a good boy? Yeah. Right, should we turn him off? Looks like Henry's spotted a problem.
Nini. Daddy, Nini.
In there?
Yeah.
Well, that's where all the croissant's gone. But whilst he's hoovering, it looks like he's spotted a problem. His friend, which I believe is a ladybird of some sort, has been pushed over.
Yeah.
Do you think that Henry can help her up? How do you think she can help?
Like that one.
Like that one?
Yeah.
Right. I think we should try and hoover this this rocking bug up.
That's only.
Charlie, do you think that Henry can save the bug?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, well I hope he can. Let's turn him on. Turn Henry on. Keep him on high, that's it. Come in. Let's see whether Henry can rescue it. Yeah, you can try hoovering on that bit. That might help rescue. That's it, rescue it. Rescue. You've got to rescue. Right, Daddy will help rescue. Wow, Henry is very strong. Ta-da! Henry helped rescue the bug, didn't he, Charlie?
Yeah.
Charlie, Henry saved the bug, didn't he?
Yeah.
He's a very nice hoover, isn't he, Henry?
Yeah. Over.
Yeah. You're going to give Henry a stroke and say, give him a cuddle and say thank you.
Okay.
Well, go and tell Henry that you say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, do you want to give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Good boy. Right, I think it's time for Henry to go back to bed now, do you think?
No.
Oh, do you want to kick him out and play with him?
Yeah.
Alright, turn him back on. Let's do some more hoovering.
Dad.